Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Wasti Haakh, a beloved Kashmiri collard greens dish, offers a truly unique and comforting experience. It's a culinary journey rooted in simplicity, transforming basic ingredients into something deeply satisfying. This traditional recipe is a staple in Kashmiri households, celebrated for its delicious flavor and remarkable nutritional benefits. Get ready to discover why this humble dish holds such a special place in many hearts. We'll show you how to bring its authentic taste right into your kitchen. The secret to incredible Wasti Haakh begins with choosing the freshest, most vibrant collard greens. Look for crisp, dark leaves without any wilting. Beyond the greens, our simple ingredient list includes authentic mustard oil, fresh garlic cloves, and a few dried red chilies for that essential smoky warmth. Once you have your greens, a thorough wash is vital, followed by finely chopping them. This preparation ensures they cook evenly and absorb all the beautiful flavors. Our first cooking step is crucial for tender, flavorful haakh. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, then add your finely chopped collard greens. Let them blanch for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are wonderfully tender. This process not only softens the greens, but also mellows any natural bitterness, preparing them for the next stage. After blanching, drain them thoroughly, pressing out as much excess water as possible to ensure a rich, concentrated flavor later on. Now, let's build those distinct, earthy flavors. Heat mustard oil in a heavy-bottomed pan until it just begins to smoke, then turn off the heat and let it cool for a moment. This step removes the oil's pungency. Next, add your crushed garlic and dried red chilies, allowing them to gently temper in the warm oil until they become wonderfully fragrant. Finally, add the blanched greens, season generously with salt, and simmer everything together. This allows the greens to absorb all that aromatic goodness. Your delicious Wasti Haakh is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot, directly from the pan, to capture its full warmth and aroma. This versatile dish makes a fantastic side, pairing beautifully with a bowl of fluffy steamed rice, simple roti, or alongside any protein. Wasti Haakh truly embodies the heart and soul of Kashmiri cuisine, showcasing how a few fresh ingredients can create something profoundly comforting and satisfying. We hope you savor every authentic bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.